I've got 3 sizes of freeze ball right here. Extra large, large, medium. I've got a 1/4 cup scoop right here. That's all you're gonna get into the medium is 1/4 cup. And then the large size, I'm gonna be able to get 3/4 of a cup into this one. Finally, the extra large size. This is typically called the meal size because for the average size dog, this is gonna hold a full meal. I'm gonna be able to get 1 1/4 cups in here very easily. Medium, the large, the extra large. Check down below at the link though, because these just might be on a major deal today.